yung program.
Go.
Hello. Now we will continue for the lab activity 7 for the program number 2. The first step is we will add the preprocessor for this program, which is the include IOStream library. And then we will be using the standard namespace followed by the main function. We will start by adding int another and then with the do identifier. And then we will bubble the following variables, which is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, the total, and the average. And then we will add a program statement saying average calculator, just for the title. And then we will add another program statement saying enter 10 numbers. And then end. And then now we will add a program statement for each of the variables from A to J. The program statement for the variable A is the first number. The program statement for the variable B is the second number. The program statement for the variable C is the third number, and so on and so forth until we reach the variable J for the 10th number. And then we will proceed to the equation, which is total equals A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G plus H plus I plus J. And then the equation for the average will be average equals total divided by 10. And then next, we'll add the program statement stating inverted slash n for the new line. Their average is, and then adding the variables average, and then we end. And the next one, another program statement saying number smaller than the average, and then the end. Now, for the number smaller than the average, we will int dx equals average. And then we will add the while statement, which is if x is less than or equal average and x is greater than a minus 1, or x is greater than b minus 1, or x is greater than c minus 1, or x is greater than d minus 1, or x is greater than e minus 1, or x is greater than f minus 1, or x is greater than g minus 1, or x is greater than h minus 1, or x is greater than I minus 1, and then finally, or x is greater than j minus 1. And the next will be x over 1. And then the if statement will be x is equal to a, x is equal to b, x is equal to c, x is equal to d, or x is equal to e, or x is equal to f, or x is equal to g, or x is equal to h, or x is equal to I, or x is equal to j. And then we'll add the program statement. The first one will be the inverted slash t, which is the tab, and then the variable x, and then the end, and then the x negative negative. And then lastly, we will add the program statement for the loop. Type 1 if you want to use the program again. And then the character input will be the another. And then finally, we can finish this off with the system CLS. And then the while identifier another is equal to 1. And then followed by the execution of the return statement. As we run the program, we can enter the first number, the second number, which is 2, third number, fourth number, fifth number, sixth number, seventh number, eighth number, ninth number, and then finally the 10th number. And there should be the result. The average is 5.5, and then the number smaller than the average is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then if you want to try the program again, we can type 1 and press enter. And then the program will run again.
The analysis. A while loop evaluates the condition. If the condition evaluates to true, the code inside the loop, the while loop is executed. The condition is evaluated again. This process continues until the condition is false. When the condition evaluates false, the loop terminates. We have observed that looping while statements can be used in printing the table of values. The code/variables are also shorter than the other program the group made. Conclusion. We conclude that the looping while statements are efficient in printing a table of values. When we are unsure of the exact number of loop iterations, the while loop in C++ is utilized. The loop execution is terminated on the basis of the test conditions. When we need to continually run a block of statements, we utilize loops in C++. That's all. Thank you.